the one thing you should know about before you start any blogging. So I've known quite a number of business owners. They have started their blog. They put out blog posts regularly. Some even publish blog posts, weekly blog posts. But month after month, they realize they're not getting any traffic. Nobody's coming to their website. Why? Because they don't realize how exactly a blog works online. Your website, or your blog particularly, is like this huge encyclopedia. For Google to actually see your blog as the number one go-to resource, think about creating chapters in your huge encyclopedia about the topics. So you need to go in depth into each topic, and you need to link them together so it comes together as one big book. Say for example, if you're having a fitness blog, you don't want to start blogging randomly about things. You want to go in depth into different topics. So each of these blog posts itself forms groups together, and it creates huge repositories of thought. In a way, they can be actually divided into different categories or subcategories of this huge encyclopedia that you're writing. This is how you plan your content strategy. So one of the methods that I usually work with my clients is create this big mind map on the focus of the theme, and through that we do the research and we plan out certain specific topics on how you can get ranking on page 1 of Google. If you need someone to help with your content strategy in 2019, drop me a message with any questions about content marketing or creating an effective blog that gets you your ideal customers. Drop me a question below. I'll get back to you. Remember to click on the red subscribe button and turn the notifications on so you don't miss any exciting 2019 content marketing tips. Till then.